Alright, Reborn Squad, I'm about to show y'all a little bit of the process of me assembling the Reborn Baby Dolls. Look at Benjamin. Look at Benjamin. What you doing, girl? Hey, no. Hey, no. She ready to get up out of here, y'all. Look at her. And there go Missy back there. And then there go Layla. Look at the little nook. The little nook. Baby and Kids Unlimited.com.
If you want a baby, you can just go to babyandkidsunlimited.com. You can check out her Facebook at Baby and Kids Unlimited Reborn Nursery.
That's right. In my Instagram.
If you want to see what she be doing on Instagram, you can go to Baby and Kids Unlimited.
TikTok.
Baby and Kids Unlimited.
Pinterest.
She don't got one. She do not got one.
Why you don't think I have a Pinterest?
Because you don't even.
And now, if I show you I got a Pinterest, I want $20.
Why you always
deducted.
Why you always trying to gamble something?
Because you don't believe me.
You always
If I show you I got a Pinterest, I want $20.
You know $20 so you go upstairs and make an email address and the password.
No, you can look and see when I signed up.
I'm not finna do all that. I'm finna keep my little $20. I'm finna go get me some Wendy's.
Because
I'm finna make sure they put.
Why? Because you know your mother don't lie?
No, but you don't lie?
No.
You Ma.
Niche.
Ma.
Niche.
You don't lie?
No. What I lie about?
I ain't even going to expose you.
Whatever.
Bye, y'all.
Bye. Hey. Oh. Hit that like. Hey. Subscribe. Oh. Hey. It's TT Show. Oh. Get it. Hey. Get it. Oh. Get it. Hey. Get it. Oh.